Everybody in estate, for those of you that are looking for how to add your withdrawal address, this video is going to show you exactly how to do that. So if you are already in estate, you have registered, you have purchased your real estate, and you have completed your KYC. Of course, you need to complete your KYC before you will be able to purchase your real estate. So after that, you will then need to add your withdrawal address so that when you begin to earn your daily profit from the fraction of the real estate that you've purchased, you will be able to withdraw that profit. Okay, so that being said, let me dive right in and show you exactly how to get this done so that you will begin to follow the video, of course, and then try as much as you can to get this done. So once you log in into your account, click on dashboard. Okay, that's the first thing you need to do. When you click on dashboard, at the far right corner here, you will see your name, and then you will see a little drop down arrow. Click on that drop down arrow. That will now open up, and then you will see the option to select settings. So click on settings. When you click on settings, it will take you to this page. You click on where it says payment methods. Okay, so click on payment methods. Once you click on payment methods, this page, as I said before, will open. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to use USDT TRC20 for this example, but you can choose any cryptocurrency of your choice from the list below. As you can see, they have different cryptocurrencies here. Okay, so choose which one you want. Okay, and then add the withdrawal address into this section. So I am going to use USDT TRC20. It is called Theta TRC20. Okay, for this video. So therefore, because I have USDT TRC20 already, which is Tronlink wallet on my browser, okay, on my computer, I just click on the icon for my Tronlink wallet to open. When my Tronlink wallet opens on my browser, I clicked on USDT. Okay, now remember that you may have this Tronlink wallet on your mobile phone. So it's the same thing that you are looking at on my computer just now. It's the same thing you will have on your mobile phone. Okay, so go to your Tronlink wallet on your mobile phone, select USDT, and then copy the wallet address. If you don't have Tronlink wallet and you want to send your profit to any other wallet, like any exchange, like Binance, like Kraken, like Coinbase, okay, like Token Pocket or MetaMask wallet, any wallet at all, any exchange, as long as the exchange have one or two of all of these cryptocurrencies that's on the list, you are good to go. So I am going to click on my USDT on my Tronlink wallet, and once I hit that, this page will open on my Tronlink wallet. When this page opens, I will click on the section that says receive, so that it will expose my deposit address. So when I click on it, this page will now open. When this page opens, I will now copy and paste my deposit address into my estate account. So I'm going to click on that little icon here that says copy. So that will now copy my wallet address. And then I will now go back to my estate and I will now paste it here. Now, bear in mind, when you paste your withdrawal address, double check that address to make sure that it is the address you have copied that you pasted. Because sometimes your computer or your copy clipboard may have copied another address or something else. And if you paste it there and you didn't double check, that may cause problems for when you want to withdraw. The money will go to that address. So what I do is I double check the last 4 digits and the first 4 digits. So for my account, I am going to double check 9NA4, and I'm going to double check TF92. Okay, so therefore I will go back to my wallet and double check to make sure that it is correct. So TF92 and 9NA4. Okay, and then now I can confirm that is correct. So once I can confirm that it is correct address of my USDT TRC20 deposit address that I have copied, I will now scroll to the bottom of this page. Once I scroll to the bottom of this page, you will see a button that says Save Changes. So please click Save Changes. When you click Save Changes, this will now open for you to go to your email and then copy the 6-digit code and paste it here. Okay, because the whole idea is they want to confirm that you are the owner of the account that you are trying to add a withdrawal address, and they will send an email verification code to only the email that you have used to register in eEstate. Okay, so that's a very strong layer of security in your eEstate account. So go to your email address, open it up, you will see the 6-digit code that has been sent. Okay, so copy the 6-digit code and paste it into that box. Once you have pasted it into the box, you will see that the Save Changes button will now change to green. Before you pasted it, it was grayed out. You can see the difference. Okay, it is grayed out here because you've not pasted your 6-digit code. But once you have pasted the 6-digit code, it will now change to green. So once that is done, you click Save Changes. When you click Save Changes, you will now notice that your address is now saved. So congratulations, you have successfully added your withdrawal address to your eEstate account. Welcome and God bless.